Do you know this song? Do you know this song? Yes, I have heard it. Yes, I have heard it. Can you give me your email? Can you give me your email? Yes, write it down. Yes, write it down. Are you inside the house? Are you inside the house? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Do you like your job? Do you like your job? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Can you turn off the light? Can you turn off the light? Yes, right now. Yes, right now. Are you laughing at me? Are you laughing at me? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Do you want a ride? Do you want a ride? Yes, thank you. Yes, thank you. Can you answer honestly? Can you answer honestly? Yes, I promise. Yes, I promise. Are you coming alone? Are you coming alone? No, with my cousin. No, with my cousin. Do you wake up late? Do you wake up late? Sometimes. Sometimes. Can you fix this phone? Can you fix this phone? I will try. I will try. Are you using my charger? Are you using my charger? Yes, only for a minute. Yes, only for a minute. Do you watch cartoons? Do you watch cartoons? Yes, they are fun. Yes, they are fun. Do you like English songs? Do you like English songs? Yes, I love them. Yes, I love them. Are you alone? Are you alone? No, my friend is with me. No, my friend is with me. Do you need any help? Do you need any help? No, I am fine. No, I am fine. Can you speak English? Can you speak English? Yes, a little. Yes, a little. Are you studying now? Are you studying now? Yes, I am doing homework. Yes, I am doing homework. Do you like your school? Do you like your school? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Are you feeling hot? Are you feeling hot? Yes, very hot. Yes, very hot. Do you work every day? Do you work every day? Yes, every day. Yes, every day. Are you free right now? Are you free right now? Yes, tell me. Yes, tell me. Do you have my book? Do you have my book? Yes, here it is. Yes, here it is. Are you at the market? Are you at the market? Yes, buying vegetables. Yes, buying vegetables. Do you watch TV daily? Do you watch TV daily? No, not daily. No, not daily. Can you carry this bag? Can you carry this bag? Yes, give it here. Yes, give it here. Are you going by bike? Are you going by bike? Yes, by bike. Yes, by bike. Do you like winter? Do you like winter? Yes, very much. Yes, very much. Can you come inside? Can you come inside? Yes, I am coming. Yes, I am coming. Are you feeling sleepy? Are you feeling sleepy? Yes, I want to sleep. Yes, I want to sleep. Do you learn online? Do you learn online? Yes, every week. Yes, every week. Can you give me some space? Can you give me some space? Sure, no problem. Sure, no problem.